Now you can limit membership course offers by validity. This feature allows businesses to set specific timeframes for when offers on memberships and courses are valid. Let's talk about those benefits. First of all, this is going to provide you with flexible timing. Now your business can set start and end dates for offers within memberships and courses. It's also going to give you time-limited offers. Now you can create offers that are available for a very specific number of days in advance. And it's going to enhance the experience. Now your business can create a more predictable and organized experience for your customers. As far as practical use goes, a small business owner who wants to run a limited time promotion for a new online course, now using offer validity, you can set a specific start and end date for that specific offer, creating urgency for potential students and boosting enrollment. This is a great way to help you market those courses and those memberships to boost revenue in a quick fashion in a very specific timeline. So let's talk about accessing those membership courses. First, you need to be under memberships and then you need to be in courses. Now, because this is offer related, we want to go ahead and enter the offer area in that drop-down menu. Now go ahead and edit a current offer that you have by clicking the kebab and then hitting edit. Now you can go ahead and access the details of that offer. And just so you know, if you really wanted to, this will also work the same way if you create that new offer. Now, what you're going to see is in the offer access area, which is new, you're going to see the ability for you to enter those limited date and those days. This is a simple update that's really going to help you with your marketing efforts as well as anything special that you might be wanting to promote. This feature is going to provide your business with the tools to strategically plan and execute time-limited promotions, enhancing your ability to attract and retain customers within your system. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.